I'm Sabina from Contabo. Today we're covering best practices to enhance your cPanel hosting security using built-in features and smart server-side precautions. Whether you're managing one website or a dozen, strong cPanel security settings are key to keeping your data safe, preventing unauthorized access, and stopping common attacks. First up, let's talk about how to secure cPanel access. Always use HTTPs to access the cPanel or WHM. Enable two-factor authentication for all admin-level users in WHM and the Security Center and two-factor auth. Don't use default ports if you don't have to. Change your SSH port and disable password login by switching to SSH key authentication. Good passwords make a difference. Enforce complex password rules using the Web Host Manager or WHM. Navigate to Password Strength Configuration. Set the minimum score to at least 80 to ensure secure credentials for every user. And remember, never reuse passwords between services. Use a password manager to generate and store complex logins. If you're managing your server through cPanel hosting on a VPS or dedicated server, don't forget that you are responsible for securing your server once root access is granted. Here are cPanel security best practices beyond the panel. Enable two-factor authentication for WHM access to protect against unauthorized logins. Change the default SSH port and use SSH key authentication instead of passwords. Set up a firewall and restrict open ports to only what's absolutely necessary. Install anti-brute force tools like fail2ban or cPHulk to block repeated login attempts. Also run antivirus tools such as ClamAV to scan for malware and suspicious activity. Keep applications like WordPress up to date and install security plugins. cPanel includes built-in tools to help improve security. ModSecurity can be activated under Security, ModSecurity to block common web exploits. Hotlink Protection prevents others from embedding your images and using your bandwidth, and Leech Protection limits failed login attempts to sensitive areas like member portals. Always use the Security Advisor inside the WHM to get live alerts about risky configurations. Schedule automatic updates for cPanel, WHM, and connected services like Apache, PHP, and MySQL. So to recap, always secure cPanel access with HTTPs, two-factor authentication, and SSH keys. Harden your server by enabling the right cPanel security settings. Monitor and patch vulnerabilities regularly. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tips from Contabo, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay safe and secure with cPanel hosting from Contabo.